Want to lose weight fast but don't have time or money for the gym? The truth is, you don't need expensive equipment or long hours of training. With just 15 to 20 minutes a day, these 10 powerful exercises can help you burn fat, slim down, and boost your energy right at home. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share a quick routine you can follow daily for faster results. 7. Welcome to BeFitest, your go-to channel for natural health and fitness tips. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our weekly videos. And if you're already part of the BeFitest family, thank you for supporting healthy living. Jumping jacks. Start with jumping jacks. This simple move warms up your body, gets your heart pumping, and quickly burns calories. Do it for 30 seconds to kickstart fat burning. High knees. Next. High knees, it's like running in place but with your knees lifted high. This targets belly fat and improves cardiovascular health. Squats. Now squats. They work your thighs, hips, and glutes while burning fat. Plus, squats are amazing for building lower body strength. Mountain climbers. This one's a real fat burner. Mountain climbers engage your abs, shoulders, and legs all at once. It's like cardio and strength training combined. Push-ups. Push-ups are not just for arms, they engage your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. A classic move that burns calories fast. Burpees. Burpees are tough but effective. This full-body exercise helps you burn a high amount of calories in a short time, making it perfect for weight loss. Lunges. Lunges are fantastic for toning your legs and improving balance. They also strengthen your core and help shape your lower body. Plank. A simple but powerful move holding. The plank builds core stability, strengthens ABS, and burns belly fat. Skater jumps. This fun move mimics ice skating. It improves balance, coordination, and at the same time helps burn stubborn fat. Glute bridges. Last but not least, glute bridges. This move strengthens your glutes, lower back, and core while toning your waistline. Here's how you can put it all together. Do each exercise for 30 seconds. Rest for 15 seconds. Complete 3 rounds for a full workout. That's it. In just 15 minutes, you'll be burning fat, toning muscles, and boosting your metabolism. For even better results, combine this routine with a healthy diet. Drink plenty of water. Cut down on processed foods and eat more fruits and vegetables. Remember, consistency is the secret. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Even small daily efforts can bring big changes in your body and health. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to BeFitest for more fitness and health tips every week. Comment below and tell me which of these 10 exercises is your favorite. I'd love to hear your answers.